Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. Today we have a Huawei P30 and we have a cover for Huawei P30, and this cover is so special. Why this cover is so special, I'll just tell you now. This is Huawei P30 and we just bought the phone just like that. It's the back glass is broken, we will fix it later, but this phone has no wireless charging facility inside, so this phone cannot charge wirelessly because there is no wireless charging facility in this phone. And this phone was built like this without wireless charging facility, but it is very good phone. It's 6 GB of RAM and it is very good phone. So when I bought this phone, I got this cover with it. This cover is from Huawei company and it's got a wireless charging facility in the cover. So when you put the phone in just like this, and now the phone is in the cover, so now this phone actually can charge it wirelessly with this charging port, because this charging port it's in the cover. So now this phone can charge wirelessly with this cover. So we have a wireless charger here. Just gonna see if this phone can charge wirelessly. There we go, the phone is charging wirelessly and just showing the icon also that this phone has been placed on the docking station and is charging wirelessly. So this cover, it's a good cover and it is a wireless charging cover. So just put the phone on top of it and it charges wirelessly.